What's up, everyone? Today, we're going on a virtual adventure to one of the most jaw-dropping countries on Earth, the Philippines. Over 7,000 islands, each more epic than the last. This is not your average paradise. We're counting down the top 15 places you have to visit, from wild cities to hidden lagoons and ancient wonders. I spent weeks finding the most mind-blowing spots, and each one could be its own video. Trust me, by the end, you'll want to book a flight. Let's dive in. Number 15 is Palawan, often called the last frontier of the Philippines. Imagine limestone cliffs rising from turquoise waters. El Nido is like Jurassic Park, minus the dinosaurs. Kayak through the big and small lagoons, where the water is so clear you see coral and fish without diving in. Don't miss the underground river in Puerto Princesa, a new 7 Wonders of Nature site. Floating through its massive cave system is unforgettable. Every island here is a new discovery, with secret beaches and hidden coves. Palawan is an epic adventure that will ruin all other beaches for you. If you want to feel like a true explorer, start here. And that's just number 15. Number 14 is Boracay, the ultimate tropical escape. White Beach's sand is so fine it feels unreal, and the water is a perfect gradient of blue. Spend your days paddleboarding or sailing, then watch legendary sunsets explode with color. When night falls, Boracay transforms. Fire dancers, beach parties, and vibrant nightlife light up the strip. After a major cleanup, Boracay is cleaner and more beautiful than ever, balancing fun with sustainability. Whether you want to relax or party all night, Boracay delivers. It's iconic for a reason. If you crave the world's softest sand and endless energy, this is your spot. Paradise redefined. Number 13 is Cebu, the Queen City of the South. A powerhouse of history, adventure, and nature. Swim with whale sharks in Oslob. These gentle giants are unforgettable. Go canyoneering at Kawasan Falls, leaping into electric blue water deep in the jungle. Cebu City is where the modern Philippines began. Visit Magellan's Cross and the country's oldest church. It's a blend of ancient heritage and heart-pounding adventure. Urban energy meets natural wonders here. Cebu is a place with soul, perfect for thrill seekers and history buffs alike. You'll make memories that last a lifetime. Don't miss it. Number 12 is Bohol, home to the surreal Chocolate Hills, over 1,000 cone-shaped hills that turn brown in the dry season. The view is out of this world, like a landscape from another planet. Meet the tarsier, one of the world's smallest primates, with eyes bigger than its brain, adorable and bizarre. Visit the sanctuary to see these tiny creatures up close. Panglao Island offers stunning beaches, and the Lobak River cruise lets you dine while floating through the jungle. Bohol is laid back, but packed with unique attractions. If you want to question reality, this is your island. It's quirky, beautiful, and unforgettable. A must-see for the curious traveler. Number 11 takes us to the mountains, Banaue Rice Terraces, a 2,000-year-old marvel carved by hand. Called the 8th wonder of the world, these terraces stretch up the mountains like a stairway to heaven. The scale is mind-blowing, and the sunrise view is spiritual. Hiking the narrow walls is both thrilling and humbling. The Ifugao people still farm here, keeping ancient traditions alive. This is a living cultural landscape, not just a tourist spot. It's a powerful reminder of human ingenuity and endurance. If you want to witness history and beauty, Banaue is unmissable. Number 10 is Siargao, the surfing capital of the Philippines. Cloud9's legendary waves draw surfers from around the world, but beginners can catch smaller waves too. Island hop to Naked, Daku, and Guyam Islands, each one a unique slice of paradise. Don't miss the Magpupunco rock pools, natural swimming holes revealed at low tide. Siargao's palm-covered landscape and laid-back vibe are infectious. It's more than surfing. It's about adventure, community, and raw beauty. You'll want to stay forever. Siargao is a dream for thrill seekers and chillers alike. Catch the wave. Number 9 is Manila, the chaotic beating heart of the Philippines. Explore Intramuros, the historic Spanish-era core, and feel centuries of history in the air. Contrast that with Bonifacio Global City, modern, sleek, and buzzing with energy. Manila is a city of contrasts where old meets new at every turn. Foodies and shoppers will love the endless options, from street eats to mega malls. The Mall of Asia is a world unto itself. Manila may not have beaches, but its soul and energy are unmatched. Dive in and experience the pulse of the nation. Number 8 is Davao, Mindanao's clean, disciplined city surrounded by wild nature. Try the infamous durian fruit. Love it or hate it, it's unforgettable. Climb Mount Apo, the country's highest peak, for epic views and adventure. Visit the Philippine Eagle Center to see one of the world's largest and rarest eagles up close. Relax at Samal Island's resorts or Eden Nature Park's cool mountain air. Davao is a gateway to adventure and wildlife. It's a city deeply connected to nature and culture. Experience a different side of the Philippines here. Number 7 is Baguio, the summer capital, where pine trees replace palms and the air is refreshingly cool. Stroll Burnham Park, ride horses at Wright Park, or climb to the Lourdes Grotto for city views. Baguio's creative spirit shines at the Bencab Museum and the vibrant Panagbenga Flower Festival. Pick your own strawberries in nearby La Trinidad. The food, art, and mountain air make Baguio a unique retreat. It's a breath of fresh air and creativity. Escape the heat and discover Baguio's charm. Number 6 is Vigan, a perfectly preserved Spanish colonial town. Walk cobblestone streets lined with ancestral houses. Calle Crisologo is like a living movie set. Take a Calesa ride and soak in the old world atmosphere. Watch artisans craft pottery and weave Inabel fabric, keeping traditions alive. Try the famous vegan empanada, cooked right on the street. At night, the city glows with warm lamps and romance. Vigan is a living museum, rich in history and culture. Step back in time and experience its magic. Number 5 is Batanes, the most remote and unique province in the Philippines. Think rolling green hills, dramatic cliffs and lighthouses, more like Scotland than the tropics. The Ivatan people's stone houses are built to withstand typhoons, a testament to resilience. Life here is simple, honest, and built on trust. Visit an Honesty coffee shop and see for yourself. The landscape is wild and breathtaking, perfect for disconnecting from the world. Batanes is a photographer's dream and a soul-soothing escape. It's a place that calms and inspires, truly one of a kind. Number 4 is Camiguin, the island born of fire. 7 volcanoes, 5 towns, endless adventure. Visit White Island Sandbar for surreal views of Mount Hibak-Hibak. Soak in volcanic hot springs or cool off in crystal-clear cold springs. Snorkel the sunken cemetery where a volcanic eruption sent a town underwater, now marked by a giant cross. Camiguin is a natural spa and a geological wonder. It's small but packed with unique experiences. Fire, water, and beauty collide here. Don't skip this volcanic gem. Number 3 is Sagada, a mystical mountain town famous for its hanging coffins and spiritual vibe. Hike to Echo Valley to see ancient coffins suspended on cliffs, a tradition to bring the dead closer to ancestral spirits. Go spelunking in the Sumaguing Lumiang Cave connection for a true underground adventure. Watch the sunrise from Kiltapan Peak above a sea of clouds. Savor local coffee and lemon pie after your adventures. Sagada challenges you physically and rewards you spiritually. It's peaceful, mysterious, and unforgettable. A haven for seekers and explorers. Number 2 is Coron, a paradise for divers and adventurers. Cayugan Lake's crystal-clear waters and iconic views are just the start. Dive into history with World War II Japanese shipwrecks. Explore ghostly vessels now teeming with marine life. Swim through the Twin Lagoon where fresh and salt water mix in a surreal thermocline. Coron is raw, dramatic, and hauntingly beautiful. Nature and history collide in the most spectacular way. For world-class diving and stunning lakes, Coron is unbeatable. It's an adventure you'll never forget. And finally, number 1, Dumaguete and Apo Island, the ultimate Philippine destination. Dumaguete's relaxed university town vibe is the perfect base for adventure. Stroll the seaside boulevard and soak in the gentle city life. Apo Island, just a short boat ride away, is a protected marine sanctuary. Snorkel with dozens of sea turtles and explore vibrant coral gardens. The marine life here is thriving thanks to community conservation. It's proof that people and nature can thrive together. For gentle city life, world-class diving, and a powerful conservation story, this is the top spot. Dumaguete and Apo Island are the heart and soul of Philippine paradise. That's a wrap. 15 epic destinations, each one a reason to visit the Philippines. Which spot is your favorite, or which one's on your bucket list now? Let me know in the comments. If you love this tour, smash that like button and subscribe for more adventures. Thanks for joining me on this wild ride through the Philippines. See you in the next video.